We're going to do a walkthrough on the 2024 Sailfish 226 DC. This boat is located at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. On the back, it has a Yamaha 200 in the upgraded white. As Pete steps on the boat, we do have a boarding ladder on the starboard side, and on the port side, live well, rod holders and cup holders across the transom. There is a freshwater washdown as well. Transom seat that folds away. Pop-up ski tow bar. On the port side, we do have a really nice lounger with storage underneath. Sailfish does offer a head on this 22-foot dual console. Up at the helm, we have a Garmin screen with our dedicated Yamaha screen, trim tabs, and all our switching. I'll let Pete do a shot of the bow. Two forward-facing seats with storage underneath. Really great access. Anchor locker, upgraded Fosgate, Rockford Fosgate speakers with backlit blue LED lighting. So again, this is the 226 DC by Sailfish. It is a 2024. My name is Frank Ginteski. Thank you for your time.